C and its evil brother C++ are the greatest programming language for engineering, and here's why I believe that firmly. Did you know that some of the tech we use every day, from our smartphones to your car, were written in a programming language that came about over 40 years ago? I'm talking about C and C++. Welcome to SciPK, I'm PK, and today we'll be taking a dive into the history as well as the applications of these programming languages in engineering. The story begins in the 1970s with the creation of the C programming language at Bell Labs. Before C, programming was a hard task involving low-level assembly languages or high-level inflexible languages. The difference between low-level and high-level programming is that high-level is closer to how we speak and low-level is closer to how machines speak to each other. Now enter Dennis Ritchie, the father of C. He designed C to be both powerful and flexible, which made it an instant hit among system developers. Fast forward a few years and a new language built on the foundations of C emerged. That language, C++. The Danish computer scientist Bjarne Stroustrup in the 1980s decided to expand C to support what's known as object-oriented programming, and that is how C++ was born. But what makes these languages so significant in engineering, and why not use newer languages that are more modern? You see, it's all about foundation and efficiency. Think of C and C++ as the Lego bricks of the software development world. Using them, you can create almost anything, from complex systems to the very operating systems our devices rely on. My iPhone runs on iOS, which was written in C. In the automotive industry, the real-time seriousness of programming relies on C and C++'s efficiency to make systems more safe. Or when it comes to spacecrafts and rocketry, more permanent systems typically get written in C or C++ due to their permanence and efficiency. Or the majority of the games you play run on game engines that are programmed in C or C++. These languages aren't just history, they're still very much alive, and the greatest feats of engineering within our generation owe a lot to a C and C++. As discussed before, while newer languages come with their own perks, the sheer strength, efficiency, as well as widespread use and flexibility of C and C++ often make them irreplaceable in certain contexts in engineering. So the next time you marvel at a technological wonder, remember the 40-year-old languages that could be behind it, such as C and C++, and whether or not it'd be a valuable tool for someone like you. If you like this dive into the world of C and C++ programming, please give us a thumbs up as well as press the subscribe button. Also, if you have any thoughts, share them in the comments below. Here at SciPK, we love uncovering the stories behind science and engineering. As always, keep exploring, and I'll see you next Saturday.